everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of January 3rd through the 9th in my Recollections planner. This week I'm using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Mornings. It's super cute with this little cat, and then the little mug with eyelashes, flowers. I thought it was fun. In the original, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this actually looks like a C, not a G for good morning. So here I just added a pile of G2. I just added a line. And then for like these little guys, on these, I just used this Kelly Creates gray pen to fill in because it was bothering me. It is what it is, right? So my plan for today is to use this kit, obviously. I also trimmed off just a tiny edge of this one already in the hopes that it'll fit over here. And then I cut these guys down. I pulled this ruler out, which is from Cricut, because I'm going to cut this full box into my headers for up here. I meant to do that before I started filming, but it just didn't happen, so I'm just going to do it on camera. I don't think that's a big deal. Headers here are 1/4 inch high, so I'm just going to trim that to a 1/4 inch. I have the weekend banner to put down. I did pull these two washies. This is from a new set my sister got me for Christmas. It's Park Lane washi, so from Joann's. This one's gold foiled, and then this one says Everything's Coming Up Roses, which I thought was kind of cute and appropriate for this. The colors don't perfectly match, but I feel like they kind of fit in the vibe, so I'm going to use these two as my bottom washi. So I'm going to stick these down. I'm going to cut this and stick this down, stick the weekend banner down. Also stick these 6 checklists. I'm going to skip Saturday because that tends to be a day I don't need a checklist. And then while I have this skinny Amazon washi, which is like pink and white stripes. This is what I'm going to be using once I have the full boxes down. So I will do the other things, all the washi and all of that stuff, speed you through it because it's kind of boring, and then I will be right back. All right, here is where we currently are. Looking cute for sure. I really enjoy it. I had to do this whole bottom part upside down so that I could roll the washi tape the direction that I can actually roll it. And then I made it go across continuously on the 2 sides. So I'm liking how this is looking. Next up, I want to put down the full boxes. I do have these 2 little header size things left to use for dividers, and I do have the 6 hearts that I can use as well. In the meantime, I am going to pull up this guy. See, do I have to go all the way over? Yeah, so basically to make it fit, I need to make it touch all along this edge. There we go. That fits. And then I do need a little washi under here. I did pull out a few other washi tapes in case that's not totally obvious. I think I'm going to use this guy. This is a Michaels, just gold washi. But I think that this one will look pretty good. I'm just going to make it even with the edge of this like sidebar situation, and then trim straight down here like so. And then I do believe it's slightly too wide for how much is left here. You can see I have not done my January setup yet as of when I'm filming this, but I'll get there. Okay, so that is done now. I definitely am going to need to make sure that I get some foiling up here somewhere, since there's now a good amount down here. But I think it looks cute. Maybe I could use this. Nope, I'm just going to leave it. I'm done. Okay, so for full boxes, I kind of feel like... I think it's a little complicated about which ones go together. So maybe I'm just going to try to spread them out and see how it goes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are white backgrounds. I don't need to use one, so I think I'm going to skip this one as the one that I skip. So I think I'm going to stick this one that says good morning in the center. There we go. Then I think I need some 2 white background ones. Maybe I'll do 2 with the cat. I'll do this one here. And then this one. That background wasn't perfectly white. Oh well. I feel like I spent a lot more time thinking about these than is strictly necessary, but I can't help it. There's that one. And then I'll do this one here. And then this one. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. He's playing with those plastic springs. I don't know if you guys have cats. My cat's favorite toy, for sure. And then I feel like this one with the alarm clock makes more sense for Monday. And then this like cozy little brunch scene I will put on to Sunday. All right, there we go. That part is done. Now I'm going to stick down this skinny washi. I'm just going to go across like you guys have seen me do in the past. This is slightly more narrow than the amount of space that's left, but the like header that's showing is gray. So I feel like it still goes and I don't think it looks weird just going across like this. So I'm just going to not stress about it. I'm not going to try to hunt down a different washi tape because that feels like too much work right now. To be honest, I need to get this done. So this is what I'm going to go with. I think this looks really cute though. So trim that here. And then I'm going to trim here. Pull that little piece up. Here. All right, and then this is the final little piece right here. There we go. Okay, that looks super cute. This part right here is slightly crooked. There we go. All right, super cute. I love it. All right, so starting with the plans, I want to put in obviously something for work since that's kind of the thing of the week. Seeing what I have. I don't have any work stickers that are foiled, which would be super helpful, but of course not a thing. I'm just going to use these Creative Camera Studio Aspens on laptops, since I feel like it kind of goes with the little like gray kitty. Aspen's a gray cat, you know. See, I got some logic going on there. So there's those 3, and then I'm just going to stick 2 on my hand so that I don't have to find these when I turn the page over. Next thing I want to put onto Monday, I have, this is like wrong part of this thing. Okay, here we go. These are Piper Paper Company film tapes. I do have a 20% off code below. Feel free to use it if you want to, no pressure. I do get a small credit for the shop if you guys use it, so thank you, but no pressure. I think I'm going to use this darker gray here, and then maybe I'll use the lighter gray at the end of the week. So this is for my plan with me. It's going up. Otherwise on Monday, it's really just re-entry activities. Tuesday, I have curling. I don't know why I keep doing things that don't match the blue. These are from the Prairie Planner. I just trimmed the page in half. So I'm just going to stick down match like this. I think Tuesday is an early game, and then Thursday is a late game. Lucky me. But there we go. Wednesday, I'm not really sure what's happening, so just going to leave that. Thursday and Friday, stick down the work stickers. Thursday, I have that other curling, as I mentioned. Friday, I'm going to put up the plan with me that's missing currently on my calendar, on my thing from mid-December. That one's missing. I'm going to put that one up is my plan. By the time you guys see this, that'll already be up, so you can watch it if you're interested. Saturday and Sunday are super up in the air right now. We might need to do some grocery shopping. Probably need to take down the Christmas decorations, since I'll leave them up at least through Epiphany on the 6th. But not really sure what else needs to happen. So I guess we're just going to leave it at this right now. So I'm really enjoying it so far. I think it's super cute. I'm definitely going to want to try to find some way to add a little bit of foil up here at some point. So we'll see if I can get to doing that. We'll see. Anyway, you guys will know how it turns out. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. Super cute. I'll do a little wiggle and twerk. There's a little bit of foil in here, not a ton, but a bit. If I don't mention it, it comes from the kit, which is from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. All I have left is this one full box. I'm gonna throw that in my leftovers. Might use it with another kit in the future. We'll see. This washi is from Michael's. These other 2 washies are Park Lane, so from Joann's. And then the skinny washi is from Amazon. All of these are from Creative Camera Studio. This is Piper Paper Company, Prairie Planner. That's a Happy Planner, another Happy Planner, and another Prairie Planner, another Piper Paper Company, another Creative Camera Studio, as is this one. That one's a Happy Planner, and then that one's a Piper Paper Company. And that's really all I used. So tried to stick with the kit as much as I could, and then stuck with just a few extras as I needed them. So I think it turned out really cute. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using in the coming weeks. And then also tell me how the start of your year is going. Have you already given up on your 2022 goals or resolutions? Are they being successful so far? I think I'm at moderate as my success rate for my 2022 goals so far. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.